you can know how much you are earning currently on Spur Protocol. The first thing you need to do to know how much you are earning or you have currently in Spur Protocol in Naira or dollar is to open the Spur Protocol. I have opened mine now and it's showing I have 201,085 points. And these points have made me to become eligible for the airdrop. So just in that place, that green line below the total points that you have, click it where you say check eligibility. When you click it, it's going to bring you to show your Spur balance. And the Spur balance is showing 201,085, which make me to be qualified. So he said you are doing great. Make sure you are active so you don't miss the airdrop. So you have to be active. And the date of the countdown to TG and listing is, as I'm making the time of making this video, is 3 days and 4 hours. That is on the 19th of December is the day the TG will take place, and the airdrop is on the 22nd of December. The fundraise have started since on the 10th of December, and it's saying under it you are eligible for the airdrop. Congratulations. Now let me continue to show you how much you will know if you are earning. Below the point, below the 201,085 Spur balance, you are going to see check your dollar sun allocation. So when you click it, it says you are eligible. Thank you, your account has been verified and is eligible to receive our airdrop. So it's saying your sun dollar rewards is 2011 sun dollar, and you know that a single sun dollar is going for $0.03. So if I bring that 2011 to my calculator and I press 2011 times 0.03, then I multiply by 1,450. That is going to give me 87,478. 87,478. If I wanted to leave it in dollar, I'll just say 2011 times 0.03, which give me $60.33. If I want to convert it to Naira, I'll use times 1,450, and that give me $87,478.5. So that means this Spur Protocol is a big deal, and I want everyone to take it seriously. Follow me on this channel for more. Have a good one.